Hi, today we're going to talk about how to collect information about students from teachers and email that information automatically to the students' advisors. So first, let's create the survey. Let's go to Drive and create a form. Let's call it Advisee Info. Okay. And we're going to automatically collect usernames. The first question will be student name. And we're going to make this required, and it's going to be choose from a list so that we can eliminate problems caused by different spellings and spaces. Student 2, student 3, and student 4. We'll just have 4 students right now. Done. Now let's add a couple of questions. And one more. Okay, now we're done. So now let's view the live form and let's submit a response. Student 1 is very engaged, always does homework. Submit. Now let's go to our Drive and take a look at the responses sheet, which is a spreadsheet. Okay, and we're going to add another column called email addresses. The next steps you can do out of order. Actually, let's install the script first. Let's go to Tools, Script Gallery, and Form Emailer. Install. Continue. Accept. Close. Form Emailer install. First time you install a script, you always have to do it twice. Install. Okay, so now it's created a new page with instructions. That's fine. We're going to go to Tools, Script Editor, which will open up a new tab. And there we're going to click on the clock and add a new trigger. Time driven, yep, time driven. Minutes timer, every minute sounds good. Save. Now we can click out of this tab, and we can click out of this page back to the form responses page. As a matter of fact, we can add we're going to have to add a new page. We might as well do it now. Click Add Sheet. Looks like this sheet is called Sheet 3, isn't it? That will be useful to know later. Student 1, Student 2, Student 3, and Student 4, right? So each of these students has different advisees. Let's say that 2 are the same here, and let's say that this last one is a different one. Okay, so this is A1 through B4, isn't it, on sheet 3? We're going to have to remember that. Let's go back here and let's put in our formula. So this cell equals the lookup. Student name is in the C column here, isn't it? So C2 all the way down to the rest of C. Okay, and then we're going to be looking at sheet 3 for our info, and we're going between, oh, you know what, we want to make sure that the formula doesn't copy down. So $A, $1, colon, to $B, $4, comma, and we're going to look in column 2 for the email addresses of the advisors, and false because we want it to return exact information. Okay, so now let's go, looks good here, let's go to form emailer to settings. Let's give it a friendlier name here. Sender name will be your advisee info. We'll always be going to this advisor, so let's delete that and let's put in a placeholder. Let's choose the appropriate column. Email addresses, that's the placeholder we want. Insert. Now let's go to advanced. By the way, you can also edit the info down here. Let's go to advanced. Form responses is the name of this sheet. Our formula is on the form responses sheet. It's in column G, isn't it? G:*G, and closure mode should be formulas. Let's save. Okay, everything good now. Now let's submit a few more responses. Student name 1, not doing much. Student 2, doing a little better. Student 3, let's see, middle of the road. And student 4, doing fabulously. Okay, great. Let's see the responses there. Yep, and let's just wait for form emailer to send us emails. Okay, great. Looks like emails are all sent. Let's check here. Yep, new form submitted, advisee info. There we are.